This 2023 Jayco Eagle 24RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, water heater, external shower, oven, auxiliary battery, TV, slide-out, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco Eagle 24RE is 10,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.